This is a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Limited 2016, and I do have a ABS light and a slippery light and a brake collision system malfunction, AWD system malfunction, braking power low, and anti-lock brake system malfunction. And I look it up right here on the driver's side. One of the ABS sensor cable was broken, so I got a new one. I'm gonna replace it, see if it's going to fix any of this. I'm sure it's going to fix a couple of these things. Let's do it. Okay, I removed the wheel. Safety first. I put my jack, my tower. You're gonna need some blocks, some wood blocks to lift it more because it's high. Now this is the ABS sensor. You see the wires are broken right here. We had to disconnect it. Where's my hand? From here. See, there's like a bolt right here, and just a plastic clip right here. Another bolt right here. Another bolt right here. A little plastic right here, and this one goes connected right here. This is the wheel, okay? This is the shock. It goes right here. You have to open this one, and right here is the connector. That's the connector for the ABS sensor. So okay, I'm going to get the tools and remove these parts. Okay, it goes hook right here. There's this one right here, and this one right here. I already came with all the pieces. This is going to be the new one right here in this box. Okay, this is the new one. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Okay, this is the sensor. This is the new sensor. It already comes with all these metal pieces that attach to the body. Okay, I'm going to get the tools and remove this one, and we'll see. Okay, I replaced the new sensor. Everything fit perfect. This one right here is a 10 millimeter. This one is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter. And then just pull it right here with some pliers, and just connect the new one, and just snap inside right here, perfect. And then just hide it behind this cover. Now I'm going to start the car. Let's see what happens. Let me put the wheel back first. No, I'm going to start it. I'm going to start the car. See if that one is going to. I can wait. I can wait to see if it's going to. It's going to stop everything. Okay, I start the car. Still says anti-lock brake system malfunction, which you did it. Brake collision system malfunction. Okay, AWD system malfunction. Okay, now I'm going to probably have to drive around a little bit for the computer to sense the sensor, and then we'll see. All right, this is the update. After driving for a couple miles, the ABS light disappeared. Also the low power brake, also it's gone, and the all-wheel drive problem is also gone by replacing the ABS sensor. So I'm really happy. I only got this little light right here, like when it's a slippery road, but that one probably I'm gonna disconnect the battery a couple hours, and that's going to fix the problem. I only got the brake collision system malfunction. I don't care about that. That's really not important. The important part was the ABS brake sensor, the low power brake, and the all-wheel drive that wasn't working. Okay, very good. So if you have a Toyota RAV4 or 2016 and you're having this the problem, the all-wheel drive not working, that might be the problem. That one of the ABS sensors might be the problem. I paid like $80 for the sensor, and you can do it yourself. Took me like 10 minutes to replace 3 bolts. All right, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I hope this video is going to help somebody, and leave a comment. I will answer whenever I get time. Thank you.